Choo-choo train, come along, let's all sing the fruity song. Letters rolling down the track, fruity colors front and back.
Colorful train moving, clouds, birds waving hello.
A for apple, red and round, juicy sweetness can be found. Apple jumping on train seat smiling. B for banana, yellow and bright, peel it, eat it, such delight. Apple, pencil, banana, waving from train window. C for cherry, tiny and red, hanging in bunches over your head. Cherries bouncing with music. D for dragon fruit, spiky skin, pink outside, white within. Dragon fruit spinning near the train. E for elderberry, purple so small, tiny fruit but healthy for all. Elderberries raining like bubbles. F for fig, soft and sweet, tasty snack that can't be beat. Fig dancing on the roof of the train. G for grapes, purple and green, riding the train, what a scene. Grapes bouncing in rhythm with wheels. H for honeydew, cool and nice, green and fresh like sugar and ice. Honeydew rolling beside train tracks. I for ice, apple jelly and clear, so much fruit that kids all cheer. Ice apple glowing in sun. J for jackfruit, big and bold, yellow inside and spiky gold. Giant jackfruit shaking as train honks. K for kiwi, fuzzy and brown, green inside it wears a crown. Kiwi slices twirling like wheels. L for lemon, sour and fun, fresh and bright like morning sun. Lemon drops sparkling in air. M for mango, golden delight, sweetest fruit, oh what a bite. Mango sliding down rainbow. N for nectarine, shiny and neat, soft like a peach and juicy sweet. Nectarine dancing on clouds. O for orange, peel it slow, splashy drops begin to glow. Orange slices spinning around the train. P for pineapple, tall and bright, rides the train with leafy height. All aboard, hip hooray, fruity train rolls on today.